This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Rick Boswell. Milton's Landing, featuring this 4-bed 4.1 bath colonial on 1+/acre lot. Full basement, stainless kitchen appliance package, granite counters and luxury vinyl plank flooring on main level, baths and laundry room. Bedrooms can be upgraded to luxury vinyl plank. Country setting yet close to amenities. Truly a great value in this hot market while rates are still historically low. Ready to occupy September of 2022. Builder has made all selections and pictures represent similar finishes. See option sheet for any upgrades available. For more information, review the details below or contact Rick Boswell at 304-263-2121.